Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from the Salesforce CRM system to Gmail. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Salesforce CRM to other systems. For example, in Gmail, you can set up notifications to yourself about new leads, or send emails to customers from Salesforce CRM. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Salesforce CRM data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get New Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must enter the login and password from your Salesforce CRM account. Next, you should receive a verification code by mail. Enter it in this field. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your leads in Salesforce CRM. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Salesforce CRM data source. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Select Gmail as the receiving system. Next, you need to select an action, Send Email. At this stage, you need to connect your Gmail account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. Give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account by ticking all actions. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Salesforce CRM that will be transferred to Gmail. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. The Gmail account that you connected to ApiX-Drive will be used as the sender. If you want to receive notifications of new leads on your email, then in the To Email field you can enter your email manually. Or, in the To Email field, you can specify a variable with the user's email, which will be in the drop-down list with data from Salesforce CRM. In this case, you fill in subject and body with the expectation that the corresponding letter will be sent to each new lead from Salesforce CRM. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also enter values manually. Press Enter to move to the next line. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to Gmail. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Gmail. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.